Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can turn on dark mode on Instagram. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have dark mode turned on, and the reason for that is because I've chosen to make Instagram follow my specific preferences on my mobile device, so it copies the dark mode from my phone. And you can do the same if it isn't set up by default, and most likely it is, so you can just change the theme on your phone as well. However, I'll be showing you how to do that through Instagram. The first thing you want to do is go to your profile in the bottom right, and then go into the three bars at the top right, which are your settings and activity. Under settings, you want to scroll down until you find your accessibility settings, which are under your app and media. As you can see here, accessibility and translations. Click there, and as you can see, the second option is dark mode. If I click on that, you have the option of on, off, or system default. As I mentioned, dark mode is my system default, so I'll keep it at that. However, you can also click on, and as you can see, that changed absolutely nothing since I'm already on dark mode. If I click off, as you can see, it changes back to light mode, but system default or dark mode fits my taste best, so I'll just keep it at that. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.